Good morning, Kevin. It's time to start day 2. Don't eat a parfait.
All right, so the tortilla is now gone. Whole day, California Adventure. Mickey, I have a little question for you real quick. All right, so we all work in Disney World, okay? We have to leave in 2 days. Is there any way we can have an ADO so we can stay an extra day? Might happen, 50-50. But if it works out, you'll be the best boss in the world. You brought a pen, you brought a Sharpie. Goofy, do you like pen or Sharpies more? Sharpie. Sharpie. Team Sharpie, Haley.
But it's got a Mickey head on it.
Yeah.
Dom, what is it?
Oh, my child. It's disgusting.
That's skeleton of a...
You see people out there working.
All right, so this is my first time going to Pixar Pier. Last time we were here is Paradise Pier. That's where we're going for dinner tonight. Are there any whiskers? There's no whiskers on her. First time doing Incredicoaster. This is Dom's face whenever he hears the camera turn on. Dom will probably hate this opinion, but I like that a lot better than the California Screamin'.
Oh,
you want to go back to California Screamin'?
No.
All right, Dom, California Screamin' or the Incredicoaster?
I actually kind of like this better. I actually like it better. That was cool, yeah.
Internet, I want you to write in the comments, does any of Haley's outfit match?
Yes, it looks great. I'm a fashion expert.
So we're about to talk to Edna, the fashion expert, about whatever she's wearing. Haley, straightening your hair is not going to help her fashion review of you. Queen Edna, I know, we need your help, darling, we need your help. Okay, her outfit. I'm not a fan of it. You got socks and sandals, pantyhose, whatever that is, the shirt, the furry sweater. Is the whole outfit your stamp of approval?
Yes!
Yeah, what? If Edna approves it, there's no denying it. All right, the one thing I have been waiting for this entire trip is to have the Nom Nom cookie. Why don't you want to get it, Jacob?
It's just a cookie.
It's more than a cookie. There it is. I thought it was gonna be a little heavier. All right, let's try this thing. All right, if this doesn't live up to the hype, I'm gonna be really sad. That's a solid 9 out of 10 right there. Jerry, how is it?
It's so good I want to wear it.
It's short looking good.
Seriously, it's really, really good though.
Mm-hmm.
It's amazing.
Now that cookie was buttery and flaky and it met all of my expectations. Ooh. But look at this live band. Haley, we're about to go on Silly Symphony. What are you scared of?
Heights.
There we go. All right, Jerry, get that boomerang. Haley, how are you holding up?
I don't like it.
I'm gonna say don't eat a giant Nom Nom cookie, then ride that ride. Now it's time for everybody to take their classic basic girl photos in front of the Pixar Pier. Wow. There's a whole directing team for Jerry to take his one photo. Work it there, work it, Jerry. Feel you're in a basic Disney girl. Dom can't wait for it to be his turn so he can be a pretty little girl. Yes, Dominic. Oh, the pocket full of sunshine over there.
Shut up.
What's going through your mind right now taking this photo for about the 700th time?
Just concentrating.
It's Jacob's turn. Out of the whole half an hour photo shoot, I think Dom had the greatest photo of all time. It's the 9th wonder of the world, you know, because backside of water and then the Disney giant toe. The toe of Disney. And we got our boy the collector there. I gotta visit the gnome. The weirdest object in all of Disney.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me.
That was not part
You escaped?
What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket. One of the Guardians of the Galaxy.
He's a smart one.
I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends.
And I'm gonna take this. Now move it!
Here we go, guys. Here we go.
Rocket, unplug you.
Yeah.
Things rocking. Oh yeah, now show me those hands, people. Yeah, you clearance. Let's rock 'em all. Little help here.
Never seen this before. Oh, that's funny. Because there's a what is this? So she got every month.
But I hate those rides.
Oh.
She doesn't like that feeling in her stomach.
I love that ride so much. Okay, so the one merchandise thing that I did buy was the little Groot that sits on your shoulder. So f***ing cute. Oh my God.
But I do have a joke for you because you have that little frame on your arm. Groot's favorite breakfast is Groot Loops. His favorite lunch is salad with extra croutons. His favorite dinner is a Groot-a-Bega burger. Isn't that fun to say? Say it together. A Groot-a-Bega burger. And his favorite dessert is a Groot beer float.
All right, we're gonna eat at Smoke Jumpers. This kind of reminds me of Backlot Express.
It smells exactly like Restaurantosaurus in this restaurant.
Yeah.
Do they have my caramel brownie?
I don't know. They got any parfaits?
It took around 15 minutes for the chicken tenders to come out. Hopefully, we don't have another parfait incident with the food here. You will let me know?
I'll let you know.
Thank you for not ordering a parfait today.
Is this what your stomach was doing yesterday? Too shabby. Now it's time to go to my favorite land in the entire world. Cars Land, baby. Oh, look at it. There's still some of the Halloween stuff out. They don't have the ass there. We're gonna ride the country hoedown throwdown.
No. It's a trashy ass.
Time to ride the trashy ass. Oh wait, are they advertising that? Oh, look at the hidden Mickey Gerald just spotted. Look at how sneaky those Imagineers. Oh, yes. It's good to be back. Look at Radiator Springs. Right, time for one of the most beautiful rides that Disney has ever made. All right, time to go inside. Here we go. You ready, Groot?
Slow down. You're not racing yet. Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater! Coming, Sheriff! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Honk!
Look at this!
We have a visitor!
Radiator Springs.
Champion needs speed.
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Okay, we've never been on this side before. Oh, yeah!
Look like a real race car.
Well, thank you. Well, thank you.
To the starting line. It takes more than new tires to win a race. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life.
You don't race.
Right, Mater.
Now we're gonna go back and ride test track.
You can stop.
No.
Dom, smile. Oh, there we go. This is lies that Disney is telling me. Almost there. Where's Heimlich? All right, in honor of Chris, we're doing Heimlich's candy cane corn toss.
It's my boy Heimlich.
All right, I want you to stretch, buddy, because I can't throw. I have no athletic ability at all.
I'm kind of nervous.
That's what we're aiming for. A little Heimlich right there. Here we go. Feel the weight, feel the weight. Sorry, Chris.
I'll come back and try again tomorrow.
Jared, what does that tree branch look like it's doing?
Man, I don't want to say it. You can use your imagination.
For the Ferris, you know we're going to do that swinging one. Let the fun begin.
I'm not a very religious man. I might be after this, but
It can't be that bad. There it is. There it is.
oh god!
Look at that!
This is awful. I hate this. Why?
I'm having a wonderful time right now.
No one should like or subscribe to this video.
I hate it.
This is great. It's a swing on a Ferris wheel.
Kevin, give us a life lesson.
Don't listen to Kevin.
Don't put your $1,100 money order in a Santa hat.
Story time, story time.
We were doing our down payment on our new apartment. I got a $1,100 money order.
Which is basically cash.
Basically cash, and I didn't keep the receipt. After about 48 hours of freaking out, some reason my money order was in a Santa hat inside my trunk. Such a magical time. Now it's time for a magical dinner with my favorite magical folks. Time for the Lamplight Lounge. I've been waiting for this all vacation. You got the Pixar ball right there. Look at that. And look at like all the artwork that they did. Wow. This is very, very different than Ariel's Corrado. We're just gonna sit here?
Yeah, start our table.
So each coaster they give out has a different Pixar character on it. So wait, look, this is the drink menu and it looks like Imagineers
Technically, we get
just
paid
like
at 9 p.m. here.
drew it.
Like midnight for you guys. Oh, really?
This is incredible.
Wait, oh my god.
Well,
This is the story of my life. What am I about to drink?
So it's Powerade with a little bit of green apple syrup and apple juice.
Take a feel it.
Oh
It's
my
vibrating.
God.
They had that in Tomorrowland in Magic Kingdom during the Incredibles thing. Oh, it is green.
All right, here we go. You got the mist going up your nose. You're trying to dodge the dodgeballs coming at you. Update on the drink. It died. I wouldn't suggest buying unless you want to get a good Instagram pic. So this is the menu. And then your boy's gonna get the chicken sandwich. Thank you so much. All right, so here's the chicken sandwich that I got. It's like coleslaw. Did you get a kid's meal?
Yes.
There, goldfish in there.
Yeah, it's better than what all y'all got.
Hey.
There is rice probably somewhere.
There's rice hidden in there.
Where?
I see lima beans.
There's no rice. Is this rice?
Oh.
All right, Jacob got the donuts. So they just taste like Typhoon Lagoon donuts.
Yeah, but they're really good.
Let's talk about the restaurant. Okay, I think the design of the restaurant, 10 out of 10. I loved being in there. My food, personally, I think was the worst chicken sandwich I've ever had. Is this for us? Yeah. All right, sorry. What are we about to watch?
The last night of Paint the Night.
You are
The very
our
last
king.
night.
Our king.
We love Louis. We love Louis.
Remember, Silver Mist, Rosetta, and Iridescent.
She's always blowing you kisses. Look at that. Yes, Goofy. Here we go, the grand finale, baby. There we go, Mickey.
Oh my God!
What? right now. Jared, you're in Disney. What do you want to say?
There's too much to say.
He's going to Disney World.
Saturday. I'll be there.
Do you know our friend Betty Shambles at all?
No, but I'm a politician. I don't remember anyone's name.